Ito ang crowd na inaasahang magkakaroon ng buhay itong fourth quarter na ito. Of course, yung red team humahabol at napaliit nila yung lamang ng konti. No? Naging 11 na lang yung lamang ng Tide White. Kanina, 20 yan nung halftime. Umpisa na ng fourth quarter. Zoran Legaspi is in the ballgame para sa pula. Na tila konti lang ang kanilang mga kapalit. Mga 3 o 4 lang na reserba ang nandun sa kanilang bench.
Hindi pa si Mayor Jingoy. Pag nagbababa ng bola, lamang sila ng 11 puntos dito.
Si Ace, tumanggap ng bola. Wraparound dribble. Pasa kay Mayor na pumake. Atras si Mayor. Shot clock down to 7. Jong Hilario is inside. Isa pang pasa. Jimwell misses a reverse layup.
Hindi niya kasi ginamit yung banda eh. Diniretso niya at ang pihit naman ng bola palabas.
Wala, yung banda natin tulog eh, sa taas. Ayun, ayaw magpatugtog. Nabinati ni Smokey last week.
Ayaw kalampagin yung tambol nila. Tsaka yung mga, ano ba yan? Hindi naman turotot yan eh, no?
Turotot.
Turotot ba yan?
May turotot sila. Tsaka iba-iba eh. Basta brass. Na tuba, trombone, trumpet. Tsaka kung ano pang hinihipan dyan.
Hinihipan. Oops! Out of bounds na. Ito si Ace Espinosa. Yung sagipin niya ang bola.
Yes, bola ng pula. Nasa fourth quarter tayo. 10.5 remaining in this play for third. Later on in championship between Snaku Green and Clean Tissue Blue. Alvin Anson. Ipinasa sa gilid. Here's Montano. Si Romel fall away and it drops.
Baka tumutuloy ha. 9 points na lang to, Bob. Yung labang ng Tide White dun sa basket na yun ni Romel Montano. 69 ang Tide White. 60 ang Jollibee Red.
The question is, tatagal pa ba itong mga nakapula? Si Jingoy for 3. Air ball. Taken by Jimwell Stevens on the offensive rebound. Ito si Ace Espinosa. Tries to go to the left wing. Pinasa sa gilid. Jong Hilario jumps one from the baseline. Wala. Montano with the rebound. Naagawan ni Jong. Baseline drive ni Hilario. Overshoots. He recovers by accident. Espinosa. Medyo inalanganin yung tira niya at mahina. Malakas na pasa naman ni Anson. Nakuha pa rin ni Brando. Turnaround shot. Fails to score.
Sayang na pagkakataon yun para sa Jollibee Red.
Jingoy Estrada. Habang nag-aangilan si Jimwell Stevens at si Romel Montano, tatawagan na offensive foul si Jimwell. Individuals here belong to Snaku Green. Dahil pag ang white natalo dito sa laban na ito, may pag-asa silang makuha ang overall championship with a win later sa men's basketball final.
So sa panalangin may kakampit ng Jollibee Red.
Oh, may kasama. Ewan ko, nananalangin din yung red.
Naglalaro na lang.
Nalaro-laro lang eh. Pero mukhang may pag-asa sila rito. 9 points lang ang lamang. Romel Montano almost had the shot.
Gotta go red, Sway. May pagkakataon na naman.
Meron. Last touch si Ace Espinosa. Here's the throw-in. Montano
Yun ang sinasabi
scores.
natin eh.
O, 7 na lang.
7 na lang yan. Maganda. Uso ng araw yan, di ba? 7.
Sa gupit.
Hindi
Hanggang
na.
ngayon, uso pa rin yan. Sa chismisa.
7, oo.
Naku, iwasan niya. Ito pa isang 7. Si
Jinggoy.
Mayor Jingoy, naka numero 7. He does not try for a triple. Ace Espinosa down to Mayor Jingoy. Masyadong malakas yung tira niya. At sa ilalim, Joko Diaz. Tatawagan ng foul. Partner, mukhang nagbibiru-biru yung white man.
Kaya automatic na turnover, pabor para sa Jollibee Red.
Okay, good break para sa Jollibee Red. And we're down to 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Romel Montano with a jump shot. Hindi pumasok. Zoren. Keys it outside para kay Alvin Anson. Kapos naman yung tira. And the red team maintains position. Basket scored by Zoren Legaspi. And it is the last 2 minutes brought to you by AT&T.
Mismo yan. AT&T na yan.
Suwa.
Ano kami yung katunog yan?
At. Pwedeng ibig sabihin niya, attorney, pero iba rin yan eh. Jinggoy, sinabihan na tumira. Sige, titira ako. Ay, halos na nakuha na. Pero masyadong malakas. Anson to Legaspi.
Nagbabol pa si Arroyo. Sayang na pagkakataon sa kanila yun.
Oh, namintis ni Arroyo. Ay, sayang ni Arroyo yung pagkakataon. Jinggoy Estrada doing a big J there. Big Jinggoy.
Big Jinggoy. One-hander.
It looks like the ball game for the white team as the red team bungles its next offensive. A minute and 11 remaining in this game.
11 points up itong kupura ng Tide White at panahon na para ipasok ni
Ay,
Bayani
yan.
ang kanyang sarili.
Dapat lang. Huy, pumasok ka na. Hintayin mo dyan.
May 1 minute pa kasi. Kailangan pumaul sila para makapasok ito. Kung hindi makakapasok ito.
Or tumawag ng timeout, which is absolutely not necessary here. Zoren will try for 3. Wala. Montano inside. Follow up.
Wala pa rin.
Ito,
Ayaw pa
sayang kay Romel eh.
At yan ang pares.
Si The Boy at si LT.
37 seconds remaining.
Si Bayani. Mintis ang kanyang 3.
Talagang pang-una lang yung nangyari kay Bayani.
Wala, pangpagulat lang pala yun.
Oo.
Eto, pwedeng pampagulat din for Mayor Jinggoy. Wala, Zoren with the rebound. Dindo Arroyo. Ba?
Nagulat din siya doon.
Ako at ako. At may isa pa kay Romel na harangan outside para sa pula.
Ayaw kumapit yung mga papektos ni Romel, ano? 83-72, lamang ang Tide White at sila ang mananalo sa laban na ito. 9 seconds.
Definitely.
So, third place pupunta sa Tide White at yung overall sa team competitions, Tide
Sila
White na.
Tide White. Pero may yung last shot for the Mayor dahil masyadong mataas yung arko ng pagbato ng outlet pass sa kanya. And Tide White taking third place here in Star Olympics 2000 with an 83-72 victory.
Milo now brings you Star Olympic values. In the Star Olympics, the event cherished most by all is the closing ceremony. After days of friendly but intense competition, the athletes must now bid farewell to all the fun and excitement that made them one. The same full sense of joy and accomplishment pervades in the Rio Olympics, where the sorrow of parting is overcome by the promise that the athletes will surely meet once again. The Star Olympics and the Rio Olympics, both showcases of fond memories shared and valuable lessons that add true meaning to sports and a game called life. Star Olympics Values is brought to you by Milo, the Olympic energy drink every day.
Okay, nagbabatuhan sa kasalukuyan ng mga chichirya dito. Ang Snaku Green.
Ito naman
Sila po
binubuksan na yan.
lalaban sa finals. Nakalaban nila yung Clean Tissue Blue na gagamitin din natin mamaya pampunas ng ating mga bibig. At tama po si Seb Sarmenta, habang nanonood kami ng laro, dito ay kumakain kami ni Randy Sakdalan. At ba't niya binaliktad ang aming billing? Kasi partner ko ang unang kumakain.
At masarap to, ha? Namimigay dito. Ito na, championship na to, Bob.
Championship. Itong championship men's final ng basketball. At ito na nga, mainitan labanan to. I'm sure sa ngayon nagkakagaan-gaanan pa lang ng mood ang magkabilang team. Pero mamaya, expect the action to heat up considerably pagkasimula ng laro.
Hindi si Anjo tsaka si Willie.
Oo nga eh.
Si Herbert ang itinapat.
Casey Montero jumping at center with Mike Magat. First possession to the blue team. Martin Nievera with a pass inside to Wendell Ramos. Nawala at napunta sa mga nakaluntian o verde.
Verde.
Depende sa inyong iniisip.
O Kastila o Tagalog.
Depende sa isip mo. Verde ka. Anjo Iliana, pinasa kay Philip Salvador dito sa flank. Well, nobody's moving for the green team. Bagal ang ikot ng bola. There's Mike Magat inside. Will power through and he misses. He gets the offensive rebound. Follow up. Doesn't drop.
Balik ang bola pa rin sa Snaku Green, ha? Kita mo yung presence si Mike Magat. Si Mike Magat pa lang yung nasa loob. We have yet to see Dennis Roldan and Joey Marquez. Tama ba? Nasa lineup si Joey Marquez. Sa kabilang side si Joey Marquez.
Oo. Si
Sa
Mayor.
blue. Pero hindi ko nakita si Joey nag-warm up, eh.
Hindi nga. Hindi ko siya napansin pa. No? Meanwhile, a bad pass intended for Herbert Bautista. Turnover ng green team.
Both teams malamig. Dalawang turnover sa magkabilang kupunan. 0-0 pa rin ang standing natin dito sa simula ng first quarter.
Former Quezon City Vice Mayor Herbert Bautista laban kay former Quezon City resident Willie Revillame. Ewan ko, doon pa rin yata siya nakatira. Casey Montero moving inside. Ang pasa niya naligaw mula sa kamay ni Wendell Ramos.
So another turnover still para sa Clean Blue.
Nanginginig ang parehong team. 1 minuto na nakalipas. Wala pang nakaka-score. Championship po ito. Just one game. For the big money. Dito po sa... Well, not literally. Dito po sa Star Olympics.
Missed long to mula kay Philip Salvador.
Here's Willie Revillame. Nakipagbanggaan kay Herbert Bautista who gave him the knee.
At
Isang
good
pasa
steal.
intercepted by Anjo Iliana. Iliana against Martin Nievera. He gets the layup.
first 2 points para sa Snaku Green.
Ayaw sumabay ni Concert King.
At mukhang nagkakatamaan itong si Willie at saka si Herbert.
At umulpit si Herbert dahil sa tulak ni Willie. But they are smiling it off.
At a double
Foul.
foul.
Foul is called on Herbert and Willie. A minute and a half remaining in the first quarter. Antonio Aquitania, ibinigay kay Dennis Roldan. Tingnan mo, itong mga malalaki naglalaro sa labas. Driving in with a bucket. The lead staying with Green now.
Sa nilaroan niya kasi, gwardiya itong si Roldan. Pero pagdating dito, sentrum bigla. So the man can handle the ball from the outside.
That's true. Samantala, Willie Revillame bounces it down to Carlos Morales. Si walang takot sumugod. Papunta sa basket. And Willie Revillame, Manjo del Mundo.
Mamaya, baka mapasok si
Lander.
Lander. Aga-abang-abang din siya. Ganyan ang suporta ng mga misis sa showbiz.
Nasa showbiz din.
Nasa showbiz
sila
din.
rin. 20-17. Lamang ang Snaku Green. And Clean Blue trying to catch up here. Ganda ng depensa ng Verde. And Daniel Pasha could not move.
Pwede natin gamitin dito yung niluwa. No? Si Seb ayaw ni Seb niya niluwa. Paradyo daw natin yung niluwa eh.
Oo nga.
At sagwa daw pakinggan ng niluwa. Okay, talagang sagwa yun. Kasi mga bagay na niluluwa.
Oh, barfed by the ring. Michael Flores jumps one, hindi pumasok. Outlet pass to Willie Revillame. Willie going around the block. Puro nakaberde nandun. Pasa kay Manjo. Pinilit din. Mintis. Flores for the rebound. 22 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Jerry Lopez side layup.
Good move by Jerry Lopez, upping the lead of Blue to 4, 22-18.
Pasha pointing to the clock. Pinapaset up kay Willie Revillame. 7 seconds. It reads. And an offensive foul is called on Willie. Use your head. Ganun lang yung nasabi ni Direk
Third na
Bobot
pala.
yun. Yun na nga. Sayang, 3-point shot yung na-shoot niya.
Semi-amateur itong larong to. It's gonna be offensive foul.
Offensive foul din. Sasagot. Jerry Lopez trying to mow down Manjo del Mundo. Da Rosa pitches. One shot left. It's Manalo, and it's an overshoot. 22-18 after 1 quarter in this championship game. Snaku Green has the lead.
A grand salute to Angela Velez, the heart and soul of the Blue Women's Volleyball team that finished first runner-up in the finals from Caja de Oro by Orocan. For additional closet space, mag-Caja de Oro na.
Antics of Willie Revillame notwithstanding, ang Clean Blue ay behind by 4 at the moment against Snaku Green at umpisa na ng second quarter dito po sa Star Olympics 2000 Men's Basketball Championship Game. Antonio Aquitania will put this up. He overshoots. Jay Manalo gustong dumire-diretso sa kabila, yung pasa niya natapik. The green team takes it 5 against 2. Let's see what Roldan will be doing here.
Offensive foul on Roldan ang itinawag.
Well, he was trying to take it to Lander Vera Perez.
He got it on the kisser. pagbangga niya kay Lander Vera Perez.
Just to check if it's still there. At si Manjo Del Mundo ipinasa kay Jay Manalo ang bola. Jay moving in with a pass to no one. Robin Darosa takes it. Again with a pass to no one. It goes to Jay Manalo.
3 seconds.
Oh, ang tagal ng mga player dun sa loob. And Star Olympics would like to thank Extraderm Plus Exfoliant, Nestea, Promac, Daz Ultra Dishwashing Liquid, Clean Cotton, Clean Toothbrush, Modest Spirit, Standard Appliances, Goldilocks Bake Shop, Apollo Pure Petroleum Jelly, Bygone Caniston Cream, Bayer Aspirin, Apollo Muriatic Acid, Baby Flow Disposable Diapers, Marby's Food Venture, Baby Flow Cologne, Carefree Breathable Panty Shields, and so many more na itutuloy natin mamaya.
So yun yung hindi na slow version, ha?
Oh, kaya lang edited.
Edited.
Inabutan ng action. Michael Flores missing that. Follow up, tumama doon sa likod ng board. Outside yun. So it'll be the ball for Clean Blue.
So far, wala pa nakakashoot dito sa second quarter. Natapos ang ating first period with 22-18 count in favor of Snacko Green.
Willie still paying lip service to the referees. Hindi pa rin tumitigil kahit naglalaro na. Jay Manalo with a sorry miss. Sa kabila naman, Jo Marie Iliana. Binit!
Whoa! The one-hander working for Jomari. And they're up by 6 points.
2 minutes gone by here in the second period. Remember, this is for all the marbles. Championship game to ng men's basketball.
That's a hand check foul given by Jomari Iliana.
On Willie Rebillame, who was trying to get position. We would like to thank Ramayana. Dennis Padilla short on that attempt. Blocked on the second by Anjo Iliana. It's outside. And Dennis Padilla is on his knee. Bong Revilla with some antics here right beside us. Tila binabatukan yung sarili niya.
Nahirapan siya sa tira ni Dennis eh.
Si Gobang naasar nahirapan. And John Estrada.
Bit into
Tapping
that Casey
Casey Montero.
fake. Still a 3-point lead for Snacko Green.
And the green team, or the blue team, wants to use the... Dennis Padilla had a foot on the sideline as he was squaring up for a three-point shot.
Bigfoot Club, ha? Member pa si Dennis yan.
Well, di hamak na. Malaki naman ang paa ni Dennis eh. Kaya lang, yung heel niya nandun na nga sa linya. And Marjorie scratches her back. Ano ba ire? Sabi niya. Anjo Iliana down to Mike Magat. Hand off. Roldan.
Sikip ng pasa.
And on the other side, Willie Rebillame with a lost ball at the edge. 5-point lead for the green team. Getting close to halftime. 4 seconds natitira. Carlos at midcourt. Overshoots. 41-36 as we enter halftime of this ball game. Championship game po ito ng Star Olympics 2000 men's basketball. 41-36. Laban dito sa Clean Blue. Alam mo, Randy, kanina lamang tinitingnan ko yung mga coach. Si Atoy ko dito sa green. Sa kabila naman si Edgar Mortiz. Di ba pag championship may victory ride? Alam ko na iniisip mo.
Mag-isip-isip ka muna.
Nag-isip na nga ako, kaya nga binigay ko sa iyo yung iniisip ko eh.
Oh, tinuturo si Dennis na nananadyado sa ilalim.
Baka si Dennis Roldan din yung tinuturo niya. Tukayo ko, nananadya sa ilalim. Under 10 minutes remaining sa third quarter. Here's Antonio Aquitania. Bumps into Robin Darosa at mukhang natulungan ni Robin Darosa ng konting action.
Well, Clean Blue.
So isa na lang ang lamang ng Clean Blue. Willie Rebillame, nilalakad ang bola. Cross-court pass to Martin Nievera. Manjo Del Mundo now. Binigyan ng lugar para tumira pero umatras. Rebillame fires a three. He misses. Mike Magat takes it away. 2-on-2. Magat against Nievera. Del Mundo 2 for the layup.
Well, he went to his strong side, Bob, at nagresulta yun ng 2 puntos para sa Snacko Green.
Willie Rebillame will try it himself. Missed that attempt. And the green team on a counter fast break. Anjo Iliana with a pass to Magat. He is fouled.
The pass could have been too late, but 2 free throws nevertheless para kay Mike Magat.
At
Pwede.
alam natin si Daboy, masyado nang maraming napanood na basketball games yan. Pag sa NBA, maraming napapanood si Daboy pagka nandito sa may bandang Maynila lang ang laro. Panoorin natin yun. Well, agawan ng pwesto and he planted an elbow
Kay Carlos Morales.
sa pisngi ni Carlos. Blimp Works Incorporated and Banky Trading Incorporated at ang Milo for providing the medals, plaques, and trophies.
Kahit may binabasa ka, nakikita mo rin nasa monitor, Bob, ha?
Si LJ at si Rupa May. Kanina, si Angela.
Tied ball game at 59.
Pangatlong deadlock lang pala ito ng laro. Sabi ng ating partner na si Art na siya may hawak ng score sheet. Carlos Morales driving in and just little resistance from Dennis Roldan.
4 points in that offensive play para sa Clean Blue. They're on top by 2 points.
Well, pinapadiskarte ni Anjo si Dennis Roldan at mukhang hindi yata tama yung pagkakabato kay Mike Magat. It's a turnover by the green team.
So, kanina pa nila sinusubukan na gawin yun sa ilalim, but masyado madaling basahin ang depensa ng green yun.
Saka masyado masikip para gawin yun. Martin Nievera beating the buzzer. He misses. And just one more for good luck. Hindi pa rin nakuha ni Jay Manalo. End of the third quarter. 61-59 is the score in favor of Clean Blue. It's been a tight ball game so far. The moment of truth is close at hand. 61-59 is the score. 1 quarter or 12 minutes of basketball left dito po sa ating championship game ng Star Olympics 2000.
Yung fourth quarter na to, Bob, at itong Blue, the last time out before they were able to beat the white team, just a squeaker, at ito ng mga green, maganda-ganda yung pinanalo nila. Or rather, yung green ang napaalaban ng gitan sa tied white at itong blue ang tumalo sa red. Pero dito, 5 puntos, 3-point shot to open the fourth period para kay Willie Revillame at sa Clean Blue.
A missed shot by the green team at sa ilalim, merong foul.
Well, may contact, obviously.
Oh yeah. Well, traveling called on Dennis Roldan back there. 64-61. Robin Darosa. Tres!
Yes! What a big 3 for Robin.
The man is in the zone.
16 points for Robin here in the second half.
And for the game,
Yes.
Michael Flores down to John Estrada. He misses. An attempt to get the ball back. It goes to the other side. Manalo with the outlet pass. Willie Revillame shaking off Michael Flores. He is blocked, however.
That was a good block made by Michael Flores para sa kampyonato ng 11th year ng Star Olympics.
Carlos Morales, strong move.
Well, next to Robin Darosa, I think it's Carlos Morales as the second best player para sa Clean Blue dito sa second half.
Well, they have 16 points each sa larong to. Mike Magat
Traveling.
travels.
Pero foul ba itatawag? Traveling ah.
No, it looks like a traveling call. Ba, hindi. Tinawag pa rin ng foul ng referee sa baseline.
Yun ang magong bibigay kay Dennis Roldan. Not that kind of a token defense. He'll put one over you and a foul given up by Anjo Iliana.
All too willing kasi gusto niya itigil yung relo. Or rather, putback ni Antonio Aquitania.
So easy basket still coming Snako Green's way. They're gonna give up the foul, stop the clock, send Revillame to the free throw line.
And the last 2 minutes is brought to you by AT&T. Of course, 2 minutes and 5 seconds pa natitira. Pero pakita na rin natin. Where yan? Wala naman siguro.
Bahala na. Finally, nakashoot na si Dennis Roldan sa free throw line. 84-75. Clean Blue still on top.
Sabi ni Direk, parental guidance naman daw. And Willie Revillame is definitely one whom you would guard if you were a parent. Ano, mali, siyempre.
Wala. Meron ba?
Walang mali siya.
Wala. Nung isang taon, tinanggal niya yung brief niya all the way.
Oh?
Oo, nung isang taon.
Wala mali siya. Wala.
Ito, mild pa nga eh.
John Estrada with a putback. Getting 2 points plus a foul. Anything can happen. 2 minutes and 3 seconds remaining. A miss by Estrada. Primero with the offensive rebound. He misses that one completely. Agawang buko sa ilalim ng free throws. A minute and 58 left. And good throw on the free throw for Jane Manalo. Star Olympics 2000. Thanks Tide, Jollibees, Naku, and Clean Tissue para sa pagsusponsor nila ng ating mga team. Second by Jane Manalo. Decides to trickle in.
86-77. A more comfortable 9-point lead para sa Clean Blue.
Anjo Iliana in a race for time. Roldan for 3. Wala. There's a loose ball foul.
On Manjo Del Mundo.
Here's John Estrada. About to throw one. A 3. Mintis. Mike Magat for the rebound. Looks like it's called for a loose ball foul. Philip Salvador moving to the middle of the court to shake hands with members of the blue team and coach Edgar Mortis. And also his buddies Bong Revilla and Dinky Dude Jr. somewhere there. Another bucket, Willie Revillame against John Estrada. Magandang tanghali, John. And well, pumaul pa rin yung green. I guess it's too much to ask for what told the difference for the blue team is Fred De Rosa's come-uppance in the third quarter.
Yun ang malaking bagay. They were down by 5.
At this point, 9 seconds left in this contest. All that's left is for the clock to run out. Michael Flores from outside.
So the final score 92-85.
Here's Willie. Could be the last basket of the game. Hindi pa rin pumasok. So it's final. The blue team winning this one 92-85. And Snaku Green takes runner-up honors here in Star Olympics 2000.
Now we will have a special award presented by Hartman, which is the Mr. and Miss Physique Award. And I'd like to ask Chairman Carlos Butch Tuazon of the PSC, Miss Lani Mercado, to present the plaques and then 5,000 pesos worth of gift certificates from Hartman. This award is presented to the athletes who embody the Hartman generation, strong and flexible, exudes confidence and grace, and oozing with sex appeal. They get 5,000 peso gift certificates from Hartman, and Hartman, of course, is our official under fashion. First, our Mr. Physique. Please put your hands together for Mr. Robin Darosa. Come on, Robin, don't ask me to repeat the criteria why you want. Come on. We love you. Come on. Palakpakan natin si Robin, mga kaibigan. We are a I am sorry, but we are a general patronage picture. Huwag kang aalis dyan because you need a partner. And our Miss Physique is Miss Rufa May Quinto. Present this special Speedo outfits to the mixed relay team of Snackle Green, made up of Maymay Davao, Charmaine Suarez, Jeffrey Quezon, and Eric Quezon. Also, the winners in the women's 25, Jackie Casillero of Green Tissue Blue, and the winner in the men's 50, Eric Quezon, Snackle Green. Myra 300E, the women's vitamin for beauty and youthful vitality, would like to award a female player here in the Star Olympics 2000. Dali, mamaya pa eh. Who best embodies the qualities of a Myra 300E woman, beautiful, healthy, and sexy, and who has managed to maintain high energy and performance despite the stress of physical activities. She's going to receive a 1-year supply of Myra 300E from United Laboratories. We'd like to ask Governor Bong Revilla to make this presentation to Miss Vina Morales as the most beautiful, healthy, and sexiest player of the Star Olympics for 2000. If Vina is around. Maraming salamat sa Myra 300E.